Take the fan, take the fan, take the fan, take the fan, see the fan, take the fan. Brother, come back for the fan. See the fan up on the table, don't take the fan. You're gonna get hot.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My chest is going.
Oi. Oi. We're back again, you know. We're back again. We're back again with another one. With another one. I mean, I waste no time. Yo, Blanco and Central C, the great escape. That is what we're doing. And we now waste no time. We are jumping at it because we don't have no time for waste. So, make me press the button here. Then me press that one here. Then you know, so we're there here. And we are going to start it. We are going to react. So, we are going to pause less. Hopefully, we are going to pause less. But yes, what to expect, I don't know. But the views are climbing on this one. Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Stuck in the trap, gotta get out of that, so I'm planning the great escape. I'm in two man, should I handle this flick or should I go ham on this tape?
Yeah.
CJ set pace, stay calm, I'll handle the chase, don't slam on the brakes. These that way back in the day keep baiting my government name.
When him said these bitches that the fuck way back in the days keep baiting my government name. I Blanco the man name, don't call the man him government name. I violate, you violate. Only mother supposed to call him a government name. How dare you? How dare you? Have some respect. Call him Blanco. Don't call him a government name.
I'm on the bricks. These that way back in the day keep baiting my government name.
Yeah.
Roll our splash ain't bathing, but it's with Chelsea and that's all Raven. Hey, blacks, everybody loves Raymond. Nags might run out the car, you ain't aiming. Go spun back like Canaan. Goes in my room and they all Caucasian.
Yeah.
Tension when you run my strain it. She should have cuffed, but I'm air restraining.
Open the window, need ventilation. Bando need renovating. They had
open the window, need ventilation, but don't need renovating. The trap house need renovating, but you can't open the trap house window, brother. Just keep it locked, brother. Look how the man roll, man. Deep like submarine, rifle and submachine. Look at this.
at their time, but they got relegated. Clear that they ain't educated. Our prom's got a chance with the rap. I feel like they're feeling my cadence. She give me that, she decapitate OT, I ain't in ages.
Free Jojo, hit Mojo, but he love bread and a butter cup. Tim side got a butter stuck. Jakes and the judge got a cover a rap. 5 AM and I'm back in the mash. Miss Mac got to watch for the gubs. Move cause they watching at us. Broski's gone but he watching above.
Yeah.
Stuck in the trap, gotta get out of that, so I'm planning the great escape. I'm in two man, should I handle this flick or should I go ham on this tape?
Yo, the man make money. Man them a trap. Kids, stay in school. Don't take up this life. Not for you. Stay in school. The street is not made for everyone. That's why they make sidewalk. Stay in school. Alright, don't be a fool.
CJ set pace, stay calm, I'll handle the chase, don't slam on the brakes. These that way back in the day keep baiting my government name.
Sing to police like backstreet boys on Jodeci. Head down with a mask on still when they notice me. 18K
Bomba clock.
piece was a total fee.
Hold on, so quick the man rob them. Ah man, this look fishy, man. This look fishy, man.
The chase, don't slam on the brakes. These that way back in the day keep baiting my government name.
Sing to police like backstreet boys on Jodeci. Head down with a mask on still when they notice me. 18K for the pendant piece was a total fee.
Top toxic relationship with my queen, she got a hold of me.
This look fishy na fuck. As the two man them left so much people running. Me not like how this look. Me not like how this look. This look fishy. This smell like salmon. This smell like sea bass. This smell like tuna. It's fishy. It's fishy.
Lizzie my main concern, everything else can wait. It was family first, it's sad, my bad, I had to get paid.
So them. Hold on the man. Sorry about this, but me I pull it up a little bit. Hold on the man.
Renovating, they had their time but they got relegated. Clear that they ain't educated. Our prom's got a chance with
Okay. So this guy right here at the plug, a fee in business guy, him just come in, if you notice, him just come in and just shake for him and him never shake them money hand Alright.
They had their time, but they got.
Alright, see? Him look on him. My boy look on him say, pussy. Don't look over here, so. That him say a while ago, not me. That him say that. But if you notice what I go on here, so him come in and shake Fee man, right? You don't can't see them. Yeah. Him come in and shake Fee man. Them man here, I just say man them Fee friend them this. So I thought him and him were friends with him and them. But it's not. Alright.
Relegated, clear that they ain't educated.
I got it.
Our pros got a chance with the rap. I feel like they're feeling my cadence. She give me that, she 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I ain't in the ages.
Free Jojo, hit Mojo, but he love bread and a buttercup. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 got the butter stuck. Jakes and the judge got a cover up. 5 a.m. and I'm back in the mash. Miss Mac gotta watch for the gubs. Move cause they watching at us. Broski's gone but he watching above.
Stuck in the trap, gotta get out of that, so I'm planning the great escape. I'm in two man, should I handle this?
Alright, so them comments and now if you can pick up or buy back some more things. Cause it don't know, say no consignment, cash only. Alright. So this already set up what?
Or should I go ham on this tape? CJ.
Well, not the setup. They must take out to see what going on.
But them have. I'll handle the chase, don't slam on the bricks. These that way back in the day keep baiting my government name.
You see? So him, them two you talk now. I don't know what them talk about, but them two you are pre them because them not trust them. Alright, I can't see the boss face, which is natural.
It's like Backstreet Boys on Jodeci. Head down with a mask on still when they notice me.
So them know a converse amongst themselves and I laugh and I say, yo, them two look boy are idiot. I'm to them. I'm to them two look boy. So that, see my laugh? Wipe that smile off your face. It's gonna be a rocky night for you. Sorry for you, but I'm glad say it's not me. Freeze, motherfucker, freeze! Motherfucker, hey, give me blood clotting. Give me, what you say? What you say? Take the what and left the what? Take the money and left the job. What you say for do? Give me every blood clotting. Put everything in the bag. No, every blood clotting. Hurry up to for me kicking in your face in a pussy. That is what they're saying, not me. Are they saying that? I'm just. I don't know.
And the piece was a total fee.
Toxic relationship.
Watch him on the sofa now. Several cats. You're not laughing now. You're not laughing now. Give me every blood clotting. Put everything in the bag. Hurry up. Put the liquor with them a drink to. I want everything.
My queen, she got a hold of me.
Watch it.
Lizzie, my main concern. Everything.
Take the fan. See the fan. Brother, come back for the fan. See the fan up on the table. Don't take the fan. You're gonna get hot. Take the fan and the lighter and every fucking thing. Take everything and done. Take all the buckle on the ground, my fam. Take an empty buckle here. Take everything. Take all them here. Take all them out of the sofa. What the money are not? The money not rob, man. You take everything, my friend.
Relationship with my queen, she got a hold of me. Lizzie, my main concern. Everything else can wait. It was family first, it's sad, my bad, I had to get paid. Convos long, sometimes I ain't bothered, I move it like Catherine Tate.
Is it them easy? Them boy are easy though.
Tryna bring in a pack into tape like yo, and he want one, yeah. They sing to police, tryna beat their case, singing like B2K. I wanna play, she wants Sinead. I'm back.
Man, I'm a celebrate with the man, them thing. Look here. I celebrate. The man, I'm a celebrate. Look here.
That we want race. She got a man, I don't care about that.
Oh, police are come run. See, I'm on the left of the table. Police are come run. Take offense to that speed like lightning, siren frightening.
What's he gonna say? She can get this when they elongate. She ain't getting no T-bone steak.
London Brazilian beats, can't green favelas, I'm still in the streets. Under the fleece and Jakes for that, under the seat. 100 rats, that's tax VAT. We don't do no B&E. They don't bullet, they fracture the knee. CAD tryna catch the free. Taking a bad one away from.
Even though them rob them, I don't think it's gonna end like that though. Me not think something I forward at the end. Something I forward. Watch.
A one-time date, man, I'm so astonished.
Can't be that easy.
TG like 007, that's quantum of solace. Bro got caught with a bag, but this virus sent from Torrance.
Can't be that easy. It can never be that fucking easy. Somebody gotta pay.
Sit down with a brown one, but Goldilocks hates porridge.
Stuck in the trap, gotta get out of that, so I'm planning the great escape. I'm in two man, should I handle this flick, or should I go ham on this tape? CJ set pay.
So he must say him in two minds. See, when I get arrested, him in two mind. If him angle this flake, I go mad on the tape, on the song.
Escape. I'm in two man, should I handle this flick, or should I go ham on this tape? CJ set pace, they can't.
See that? Police running by one of them.
I'll handle the chase, don't slam on the bricks. These that way back in the day keep baiting my government name.
to police like Backstreet Boys on Joe.
You can't sing like Tweety Bird now, you know. You can't sing like Tweety Bird and Sylvester Mystery now, you know. You have to hold your own. You can't tell upon nobody. Snitches get stitches, you know that. So you have to just hold your own. Alright? This is a part of the street.
Head down with a mask on still when they notice me. 18K for the pendant piece was a total fee.
Toxic relationship with my queen. She got a hold of me.
Is police are running us upon him? Police. Surely police not gonna arrest him in the studio now. Surely not. So him are the smart one. So him are the smart one. Yeah. So him are the smart one. The master get arrested. Next one get arrested. Jado dog. You're bad lucky. But I'm sorry say. Yo, I just a part of the street. That is a part of the game. A part of the game that you know it comes in ups and downs, my fam. You see me? Yeah, dog. What I feel they nice. But like it, like the song bad too. Yo, big up all of the new subscribers every day. We can't stop big up. Big up the original one. Then big up on yourself. Appreciate the love and the support that I've been getting from you. You see me? So this is how I'm gonna end the video, guys. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one. You hear that? Peace out, man.